Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by noticing without judgment. Name the toxic thought in one word so you separate from it. Once named, anchor with a simple breath pattern. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, and do this for about 1 minute to calm your nervous system. After that, use a deliberate rule. Postpone engagement for 10 minutes and set a timer. This buys you space. It interrupts the automatic loop and gives you a chance to choose a different response rather than fueling the thought. Once you have space, examine the thought like a brief investigation. Ask what evidence supports it and what is assumed. Write 2 facts and 2 assumptions to reveal gaps. Then reframe by generating kinder, more realistic alternatives. Say them aloud so your brain hears a different narrative. Next, translate the new thought into a small, concrete action. Send a message, take a walk, or tidy one area to prove the alternative true. Make sure to repeat this cycle a few times to weaken the toxic pattern. To finish, lock this into a brief daily habit. Notice, challenge, act. Repeat each day for 2 weeks to rewire responses. If you get stuck or the thought floods back, apply a fast grounding exercise using 5 senses or reach out to one trusted person for perspective. Social contact often breaks rumination. Finally, track your progress with a simple chart or app so you can see reduction over time. If difficulty persists, make sure to consult a mental health professional for tailored support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.